everyone, I'm Diya and I study in class 9th. It's been 6 to 7 months since I'm studying here at Saraswati Vidyamandir. I'm having a really amazing experience over here. The way sir teaches while using real life examples, taking tests regularly and everything is too good. And the support staff here is also very nice and very helpful. And if I could describe Saraswati Vidyamandir in one word, it would definitely be a booster. Because it has gave me a booster in maths and science. I would recommend everyone to come here and join Saraswati Vidyamandir and be a part of SVM. It's a really good experience over here. East or West, Saraswati Vidyamandir is the best. Thank you.